Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change avatar on OKX application. If you are thinking of changing your avatar to make your profile feel more you on OKX, then you can do it in just a few simple taps. Launch open your OKX application on your device. Once you're inside the home page of OKX, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on your username at the top and then click on Edit Profile. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, tap on your pencil icon underneath your current avatar. Now you can select the avatars from the bottom. I don't know why all the avatars look the same right now in my case. Choose the avatar you want to change to, or if you want to add up your own photo, click on Photo at the top of the screen. Allow camera access for your device and then select one of the photo you'd like to add as a profile picture. Adjust the picture within the frame and click Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to upload your existing photo in OKX. Now click on Save at the bottom to save the changes, and within a few seconds you will be able to see your avatar changed. And so that's it. That's how you change your avatar in OKX application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.